I will open my designer. Up here have image here, left click on image and insert image. Then I choose where I keep my design. Here I have my designs here. I will choose one, maybe this one. Okay, then open. This is my design. Now I want to decide what the size of the design. Here you can see, if I select, left click on select, it will show me the design size. Width 69.449. This it means 6.9 or 6, around 7. The width here, the height around, you can see here down here, the around 5. So if I need the design same size, then I can just start. If I need to change the size, then I go here. You can see here, this one I can close the lock, then I can increase or decrease the size to scale. Like I remove here, then I close, then I need this design like 20% more bigger, so I make 1 2 0, then enter, then it will comes like this. So this design now 8.3 cm by 6.2 cm around. So this small design I can put on the left side of t-shirt. I can do. If I need this design to fill the front side of t-shirt, it will be like 20 cm the width. So 20 cm the width I can do if I want to fill the space of the front side of the t-shirt or back side of my jacket or whatever I want to put, where to put this design. So suppose I will do this design on the left side of my t-shirt or my sweatshirt or my t-shirt or my shirt, whatever, then I will choose like around 8 by 6, 8 cm. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's around 8 by 6. Okay, so I go to zoom, then I make zoom on my, hold this left click of my mouse, then I open here my design. Okay, now I have to select which kind of stitch I want to use. So this size here, you can see this size here, the round is like 1 2 3 by 1 2 3, around 3 by 3 circle around. So it means big working area, and divided to two color. So I will zoom more to this circle, then here, now I have this circle bigger. All this left click, I can zoom out, or right click zoom in. Okay, so I need exactly this circle here, then I can check like this. So now this circle, I will choose to do this circle because it's wide area and have a flat area. Then I can use tatami stitch. So here of this row, see this row here have complex fill, we do tatami. So I will do complex fill, left click here, then I started this one now, but I need to make the specification of my my stitch, like density, length of the stitch. So I go here again and complex fill and right click, then it will open this page of the specification. I need the fill stitch because I know need others. This other functions is not my work now. Now I need the fill stitch here. You can see fill stitch. Then this fill stitch, you want which kind of style of fill stitch? I want it tatami. I will use this tatami. All this left click I do. Left click, then it will open the page of tatami specification. So this is tatami, you can see here. Then the stitch value. Then this is the where I have to play to make the my tatami. So here stitch distance. Stitch distance means the density of this design. Normally this density around 0.3. It means that from here to here, you see this one line, two line, this 2 point, it means density. This one, it means less than 1 mm from this point to this point, or this stitch to this stitch, 0.35. So I can make the density 0.3 if I want more density. If I want less density, I can make it 0.5. So maybe 0.5 suitable, or I make it middle than 0.4. Just click there and just 4. So 0.4. And the stitch length. The stitch length itself, here you can see the stitch length from here to here. This is the stitch length to run the stitch here. This from here to here. This is the stitch length. You can see. So stitch length, normally we make it, if I have a big area to fill, I make it 4 mm. If I need like more smooth, like I make it like 3 mm. So 3 mm I can use the stitch length. Okay, here you can see minimum stitch. If I want to decide it what my minimum stitch, because if stitch less than 0.5 or 4, it means maybe have a small stitch, then make a problem, cause a problem for my design. Normally I make minimum stitch is 0.5. Someone like to make it 0.4, but I prefer to make it 0.5. Here no need to think about. Here now I have to choose the type of the looks like what it looks like the stitch. Here the edge will be like this way. The edge will be like this way. I mean the edge here. See here the edge will change. So which edge I want? Usually for this, if I have outline, I use this one. I mean outline of the edge of the design, outline of the space. Okay, so I use this one. If no have outline, I can use both of this, one of this. So I use this one. You can see here will change little bit. Here will change too much. If I need to make exact edge, so I use exact edge like this. The middle, also left click, I choose it. Now the random, I use random stitch, like this is fixed stitch. Random stitch, maybe I make it 10, 20, 30. It depends on the shape which I want. You can test 10, 20, 30 random stitch, then you can test and check. Normally I use custom here, because custom I decided my, here you can see the custom always have this type stitch. If you do the stitch with your design for the first time, it will come this way, just like this way, like the percentage is like 0 and it's 1, like 1 0 1 0. This will give this shape. 1 0 will give this shape. I want to change this, so I make a new one, a new pattern name. This is the pattern name. only I have, when you open your designer, you will find only one pattern name. You can do two. See, I can do two. I have here 001. I make it before. So 001, how to make? I change here. See here, offset count. I make it here 1. I need to make it 3 offset count. So if I need to make it 3 offset count to make a new type of stitch, and this is the most soft one, I will use here 30 and here 60. See, now my stitch changed. See here, before it's all same line. Now I change it 0, 30, 60. It means here the ratio will change. Here like 0, here you can see here 0, here became 30. If I need to make it, I can make it in the middle. If I want, I can make it in the middle. I change it and check, test it on the machine, then I will find which one is good for my design. Then again here is so 0, 30, 60. There 0, 30 and 60. It will come like this, 3 lines. Okay, so then I can just say save. This one I made it here with 1. You can see 001, I name it 001, 0, 30, 60. Then I can say I will use this type of stitch. It can see like this, 0, 30 and 60. This is the stitch way. Then it will continue like this, 0, 30, 60, 0, 60, 30, 60, and so on. So now I use this one, I need to use it, then I said okay. Now I use already the stitch which I want. I can save or go to effect first. Effect, this is if you want to do some underlay, you can go to effect. So in the effect have 2 underlay, first, second. You choose which one of underlay you want. Maybe your fabric need to have underlay like t-shirt, maybe need some underlay like a zigzag, then I can use zigzag. And space means 2 mm. The space between, this means the density will be 2 mm. It will be bigger than the normal stitch. Okay, so this is zigzag length here. This is the length which I decided down. I need to the length of stitch. I make it also maybe make it 3. Then it will be 3, and the angle of this underlay, it will be 90 degree of the main stitch, main one. So this is the first zigzag. Second, if I want to do another type of the underlay, I can do center or zigzag or double zigzag or edge run or tatami. So this I choose according to what I want. So I will not use this one. This is second, I will not use now. I just use first one. I use it tatami also because I'm doing tatami now. So I will use tatami, and it will give me the tatami space, the tatami length, and the, as I told you, this is the 90 degree of the main one. Then the tatami underlay shape, I always use this one. See here. Then I go here. You have 0, 1, 2, 3. This rectangle have 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the underlay size which I want. Normally it's like 03, 03, 02, 02. Then I make it same. Okay, no need to change. It means from the red line to the outside or outline of the design. This is the shape I want to fill, and the red line, it will be here. This is the numbers. The outline, black one, is this, the which I will make the design on it. Okay, so this one, okay, I said now specification for the underlay. Okay, now specification for my tatami stitch is okay. Then I can say save, left click, and OK, left click. Now I can do like enter, then you will hear click. Okay, let me open the sound. Okay, I open the sound, then I will use this one. After use this one, I start using this one, then I do enter. You will see this beep. After this beep, it means I can use this area to fill. Okay, now I have two color here. Maybe I do one color and another color on it. So let's see how I can do. I will fill first the circle here. I can start from here, left click. For round, I make right click. For round, I make right click. You can see now it comes arc. For round, I make for curve, I make left click. Then I finish with the right click. See here. Then I say enter. Now I fix the shape. Then another enter to fix where I want to start. You see here, this one is to catch where you want to start this design. Here I will start here. This is another click. Then now it comes like a plus, where to end this design. So I start this design here, I end here. Okay, then I said enter. Now you see, change it, make it triangle. This triangle means now you need to click enter to start the I need this triangle means the angle of the stitch. See, I left click and keep left click. I can move here. I make the angle for the stitch which I want. See, I can all this. I just push the left click on my mouse, and I can do this one. See here. So I make it the angle here. You can see the angle down. I make it maybe like 30, 40, 45. Normally for field like this, I make it 45. It give me good effect. So 45 here. I choose 45. You can just okay, click, then leave. Left click again, it will fill the area here. Now I have a tatami. I can show here. I can go to true view or 3D. You can see here. Then you will see your stitch how it looks like when embroidered. This is a 3D embroidery. Here I can true view again, left click. Then now if I want to define the angle of this tatami running, I will go to select and select this part, and you can see here the angle. Here you can see angle. Always I like to make it to 45 angle, and click and enter. Then it will change. See, change the side, the angle of the running here, as you see. Okay, so now I want to see this 3D or true view. I go to left here, true view, then I can see. Left click, I can see. Now I need to continue my design. Okay, so I want to make this size, this circle, two color. So maybe I just change here, like go to see here. I can do this from the beginning. I can just follow this and follow this. I make it first to show you all the design. So I can go here, shape down. You see here, left, right, left one, shape. I left click, then it will show me here the shape of this. If this is the angle here and this is the shape of the tatami, so I want to use this one, so I can add some stitch here. Left click to the straight line, right click to the angle. So first I will do like, okay, make it left click, see, then I can here make right click, then it will be angle, then I can move here this one. Okay, so I just move here, oh, the shape maybe is not like what I want, then I write here left click, I add left click, then make it the round here, then maybe right click, make it more like this, to just follow the shape which I have here. This shape maybe like this, I can imagine it's like this. I move here, and this is the start point, I keep it here, then I enter. Now this part only will be this color, so I can also choose the color here. Maybe I choose this color, orange, red, or whatever. I choose here from the colors this color which I want. Maybe I can make it same color, then maybe I go to orange, like similar, then this will be like brown. Okay, then this only for the design. If I want on the machine, you change the colors, no problem. So now I have this part ready. So I need to make the other part, this other part. See, this one. So this one I will do the same. Now I need to release here, then I can go to again to release. First escape, I go to escape on my computer, escape here, then I escape. Now then I go to again to make complex fill, it's same also. I left click, then I do enter, then I hear the beep, then now I can follow this shape. See, this will be like here is curve, first is left click, and second is right click to make curve, and here to left click to make the curve finish. Then I need to follow this area, see, so this line here looks like is different color, still maybe here, so I go more, then I can do down is right click, and finally have to finish with left click, and left click, then to finish this one I do enter on my keyboard. So now enter means I finish the shape, then I need to decide where to start. Here again another enter to define the start point for this one. So this is start point here, left click, and as you see here, this is again the cursor here show me like plus, then I end maybe here, this is the last point of this, I end here, then again show me the triangle, this is the angle of this, I make the angle like this one, left click and again left click. Now I have two colors here and there, maybe I choose this left color, I make it brown, I choose here brown. If I have no brown, I can make brown, I can create brown. Then I choose this, maybe this color, then I can see. Now I want to see this true view, how it will come. True view now became like this too. Okay, so I make two colors like this. I choose suitable color. Then I can go more with the zoom, then check this area I found here maybe, and go again to release the true view, left click, then this is the stitch here, maybe I need to change, so I just select this one I select, then go to this one, and I go to shape. See the shape here, I can move here, I can change something I want to change here, just like this, then it will show me like this. Okay, so I enter, now I change, now I go with the zoom out, zoom, Okay, then left, right click to see more, right click. Now I have this shape now. Okay, so I made it here. I can go to true view. Now I have two color, see, two color. So now I finish this part, this circle. I go to do that white color. See the white color. You can see here the white color, how it run. Then I move according to how it run. First, I have two choice for this. Maybe I stop here, then again make a new video for the to make the outline, this out white color.